Calling 2022 CR 8628, State of Texas versus Adam Edward Aguilar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Orlando Way for the defense.
And are you Mr. Aguilar?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Adam Edward Aguilar who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 8628 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on January 9, 2023 for a period of 4 years? Is that you? Right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Adam Edward Aguilar, the defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you
Pause right here. This is crucial. The state alleges that Adam violated condition 4 by failing to report for supervision in Texas. That serious probation isn't optional. Missing check-ins can lead to revocation and even a state jail sentence. Now think about it. Would you risk losing your freedom over a few missed appointments?
plead to that? True or not true?
True.
You need to speak up.
True. Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's to deny the motion, continue the defendant on supervision, but alter and amend for weekly reporting for 60 days and hold Bexar County ISF track due in advance.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Adam Edward Aguilar.
All right. Why are you not reporting?
Well, to be honest, I had 2 jobs going on, and I started helping my fiance and my girlfriend with the kids. So a lot of stuff got on the road. So I started.
You need to speak up.
I started helping my girlfriend with her kids, and I had 2 jobs going on. I would do landscaping in the morning, and I would do pizza at night. And then sometimes I had to walk from work, and it would be a 3-hour walk from Eisenhower to St. Philip College. So a lot of stuff was getting overwhelming. So the time I feel like it wasn't really important, but I know it is. My freedom is, but my family is too.
How could you not think this is important?
Well, at the time, like I said, it was a lot going on. So, and then the loss of my parents. So it's just a lot of things that go on.
When did the loss of your parents occur?
Well, my mom was in 2019, but
So you were placed on probation in 2023?
Yeah, but the case I got was in 21.
No, but you were placed on probation in 2023, and you're saying your mom passed in 2019.
I was still dealing with the grief of my parents. It could be months, years, days. Everybody deals with it different, and I was just barely getting over it. Like I was messing up to my life. So now that I'm here, I know stuff changed, and then she passed away in May. So I was still dealing with that too, like through them months. But like I said, I was going to work and doing this, and then trying. And a lot of stuff was just overwhelming for me.
So your mom passed. How old are you?
28.
So you're 28 years old. Your mom passed. So what you do is you pick up a criminal case, and then you get placed on probation, and then you do not report.
Basically. And that was not the right way to go. But when you lose somebody, you don't know what to do sometimes.
Well, I mean, not committing crimes. That's number one.
I mean, I know she wouldn't be proud of that either, but that was just, I guess, my way of rebelling and dealing with it, and not in the right way. So, but now I know my actions, and I know my family need me more out there now than ever.
So what have you done on probation?
What have I done?
Yes.
For probation?
Yes.
Nothing.
All right. And this girlfriend you have, does she know that you're on probation?
Yes.
Did you tell her before you were arrested?
Yes.
And how many children does she have?
5.
And what are their ages?
Like 3, 5, 15, 19, and 20.
All right. And they all live with her?
No, some live with the sister, some live with the grandparents, and then she had like 2.
And what 2 does she have? What are their
The
ages?
young ones, 3 and 5.
All right. And how long did you know her before you moved into a house with her?
Okay, now we get to the human side. Adam's explaining why he didn't report 2 jobs helping his girlfriend with the kids' long walks between work. This is where the court has to weigh intentions versus obligations. Viewers, what would you do if your family responsibilities conflicted with legal obligations?
Like a year, maybe 2.
And what's her name?
Rachel,
Rachel what?
Garza.
Probation, was there ever a TAP evaluation done for him or no?
No, Your Honor, he is absconded before we can do anything.
All right. The court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include a TAP evaluation, and that's to be done while he's in custody. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I can tell you with regards to Rachel Garza, if she has all of these children and they're scattered, some with the sister, some with the grandmother, that tells me that there are some issues in her life and she's not taking care of her children. And it also tells me that somebody doesn't know she has the little ones. So what she does is she sees you and then moves you in. You're not having any unsupervised contact with minors. So that means that you will not be babysitting those children or any of that. If that occurs, that's a violation of your probation and a motion to revoke will be filed. Do you understand?
No.
And I'm going to want field visits, 1 time per month, random. And we're going to do the UA hotline until further notice. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Judge.
No, Your Honor.
Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
Yes, Your Honor, I just want to make the court aware that you attempted to do field visits. However, the address on file that we have, it was not a good address. So we need to get a good address. And I would like to ask the court if we could do the weekly reporting for at least 30 days to.
Yes. We're going to do weekly reporting until further notice. You're going to provide them with an address that you live at. If you provide them with the incorrect address, probation, file a motion to revoke. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You are not to be address hopping because you are what people call on paper, and people need to know where you are.
So,
And honestly, before you get involved in somebody's life with children, you need to get your life together. Your life is not together. So now you're bringing chaos to this Rachel Garza person who already has chaos in her life and can't even take care of her own children. Do you understand?
yeah.
And that's a yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And from here on out, you need to ask yourself, whenever you make a decision, whether or not that could result in you going to the state jail facility for 2 years. If it is, you need not do it. If it's a maybe, you need not do it. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're off the record. What's that mark on your face?
I don't know. Probably the sheets from Bear County.
Well, I'm sorry, what?
Probably the sheets from Bear County. They don't
Probably
wash
the what from Bear County?
the sheets.
The sheets?
Thank
All right, you need to get that checked out.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, this was a jury trial that ended with a hung jury. And we're here today for the state to make a decision on whether or not they will proceed with.
Hey Race, the tough truth, grief doesn't excuse probation violations. Adam's mom passed away and he's still processing that loss, but the law is clear, your freedom is on the line. This is why judges emphasize accountability even when life gets messy. Could you balance personal tragedy and legal responsibility at 28?
Another trial, state.
Yes, Your Honor, we have spoken to the victim and looked over the case, and we do want to proceed.
Okay. All right, Diana, do you have any estimation of when you will have the record ready? Just a general approximation. No, I mean, I'm just asking, when do you think? All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Montoya, can you reset this for a jury trial in approximately 90 days? All right, So I figure if for some reason the record isn't ready, that will move. But I'm estimating that she says she'll have it in 60 days. If you don't, let us know. And I'm assuming the only parts of the records you all are requesting is the jury trial. We're not doing the closing arguments or opening statements of voir dire. So it will be the actual trial.
Actually, all I'm asking for is the direct and cross on the government's witnesses. That's all I'm asking.
Do you want any of his witnesses?
We probably would need that, Your Honor, but I'll have to get it.
No, that's fine. So they don't need voir dire, opening statements or closing statements. They just need the actual witnesses. So hopefully that helps a little bit.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. And so we're going to give you a jury trial date, and it's going to be approximately in 90 days.
Right, Judge.
All right. And you all are responsible for getting with the court reporter
Absolutely.
and getting the record.
We will.
Will do.
And if there is an issue with the record not being prepared, let me know, sooner rather than later.
Okay.
And we're looking on our calendar. All right, I think that's before Halloween, October 30th. And look, Norma is pushing it towards my birth month, but that's okay. I celebrate the entire month of November.
I leave for Jamaica on the 4th.
Well, what, are you trying to make us jealous, or are you just bragging? What are you doing? Is that something we need to know? How long are you going to be gone?
From the 4th to the 11th.
All right. Norma, he's going to Jamaica. I can do one or two things. We can ruin his vacation plans, or we can extend it out a little bit further. Norma, I know what our rules are, but are you okay with breaking our rule of, all right, so yes. But if we're making accommodations for his Jamaica, at least make accommodations for November 2nd. Even though I celebrate the entire month. And I honestly think everybody should celebrate the entire month.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason why I say that is when you were a little baby, you entertained so many people. You smile, your parents are like, oh my gosh, look, they smile. I know parents were overjoyed, at least for a month. Oh my gosh, they're crying. This is so cute.
Now pay attention, this part is key. The court adds a TAP evaluation and restricts unsupervised contact with minors. That's a protective measure because probation isn't just about punishment, it's about ensuring safety. And hey, raise a hint, if you get it wrong, a motion to revoke is just one misstep away. Legal accountability isn't optional, folks.
All right.
It's true. My daughter turns 5 in a couple of weeks, and she's been celebrating it for the last 2 weeks.
See, I knew, when I see pictures of your daughter, that's somebody I could have ice cream with.
She's awesome. She's the best.
Yep.
She's my sunshine.
And I've never seen her not have a smile. And it comes from the eyes. But when I look at her eyes, I'm like, what are you up to? She has something fun planned.
Very mischievous.
Yeah.
Always.
But in a good way.
Yeah.
But I come back here and it is so hot. And it's the humidity. In the words of Alien, when he said, man, it's hot as blank in here. And the guy said, yeah, but it's dry heat. See, dry heat is okay. When the humidity comes, that's when the problem comes. That's when curls start dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Stains start showing up on the underarms. Sharon, that's true. Many a time, Sharon Thorne and I would be in CPS for their cases. And when the AC went down on that, sure. All right. Let me mute. All right. So what we're going to do, because we're pushing into Thanksgiving week, we're going to end up doing a jury selection on a Friday. And then Monday, we'll start testimony at 1:30. Then that Tuesday will be 1:30, Wednesday all day, Thursday 1:30. And then Friday, if we need to finish up, we'll finish up on Friday. So what date, Ms. Ferguson?
November 10th.
November 10th.
Okay. I'm sorry, Judge. That's a holiday. That's Veterans Day, Judge.
On Friday?
It's Friday.
What is happening? It's the world is changing before my very eyes. Let me see.
So we can call in a jury on the 8th, November 8th.
I'm in Jamaica, Judge. That's when I'm in Jamaica.
No, he's in Jamaica. Oh, he's in Jamaica November
4th through the 11th, Judge.
4th through 11th.
Oh yeah, we wouldn't do it for the 10th.
You want the 10th, you want the other days?
So head back to October, Norma. Or September. But if we, so is family violence the week of October 16th or no?
Unless you guys, I have you guys down for the impact work from October 30th. You don't want to impact.
No.
No, you said you're just.
No, the week of October 16th. That's family violence week, correct?
I think so. Should be. I know October 3rd is.
October 16th, yes.
All right, so are we able to do jury selection on the 13th?
Which one were you?
Because if we did jury selection on the 13th and then do the jury trial that week, they should be finished before that Friday.
I will say, I know there is a setting on October 3rd,
Right.
a trial that could take multiple weeks.
Well, here's the
That's if
thing.
it goes.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's set it. Let's see what happens. If we're there, we're there. If we're not there, then we'll have to move it to another date. So Norma, set this on October 13th, and I will tell you, Mr. Gross, come in on October 12th, because by October 12th, we'll know whether or not anything's happening on the 13th. And then your client will not need to come in on the 13th if he doesn't. You'll be able to get in touch with him, correct?
Yes, absolutely, Judge.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, put it down for October 13th for jury selection, and we'll just have a jury held over from the 12th. All right, is there anything else that the court needs to hear with regards to this case?
No, yeah.
All right, I will see you all on October 13th if needed.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Just get a
Boom, judge drops the reality check before you step into someone else's chaotic life. Get your life together. This isn't just advice, it's a warning. Probation violations can land you in state jail for up to 2 years. Think twice, act responsibly, and yes, the court is watching every move. Shift gears, we're moving into jury scheduling chaos. Notice how court logistics collide with personal vacations. This is why legal cases aren't just about evidence, they're about timing, coordination, and real-world conflicts. Fun fact, even judges have to navigate calendars, holidays, and yes, Jamaica trips.